Quick check of the markets now, and let's bring in Senior Investment Advisor at Shaw & Partners, Adam Dawes. Adam, good morning to you. So will we start off on a better footing this morning when it comes to the ASX?
Well, yeah, good morning, Peter. It looks like that, it looks like the futures are up around about 19 points, but that's a little while away before 10 o'clock today. The US was down a little bit last night, and especially the NASDAQ. The tech sell-off still continues to go lower. So I think it's going to be an okay day, but commodities were a little bit lighter on today or last night. So I'll be happy with line ball at the end of today, that's for sure.
What about $2 billion being withdrawn from managed funds in the past 3 months? Why is that?
Yeah, I think, well, there's a couple of things. First thing I think is that investors are pretty sick and tired of paying high fees and getting no performance. I think that's the first thing that people are, just getting a little bit tired and moving towards more ETFs or more inflows into more passive ETFs. The second thing is that a lot of that funds outflow was coming from income funds, and income funds are obviously looking for better rates than what they're getting. And with interest rates starting to rise, people are potentially looking at cash as a way to store wealth at the moment where it hasn't been there for many, many years.
Wall Street's S&P 500 index lost 21% in the first 6 months of this year, the worst result since 1970.
Some good news there for you, hey?
Yeah. Why so bad?
Yeah, I guess investors are really... No, well, yeah, I guess investors are looking for sort of, have we hit the bottom or are we close to the bottom? I think we're getting close, but there's certainly some data points this week that's really going to give us a clear indication of what's happening. Wednesday, we've got US inflation, so Wednesday night, and that's going to be a big one because obviously inflation needs to be kept in control, but we expect there to be a 9 in front of that inflation. So it's going to, I guess, zap a little bit of confidence out of the market. But then also we've got China's GDP numbers coming out on Friday, and that's really going to see how that China is going to grow and potentially China to lead us out of this, this recession that or this, sort of bear market that we're in at the moment. So, yeah, look, the figures aren't looking that fantastic. However, I think Australia will do okay due to the fact that we've got a heavy commodities market, which has been obviously holding up our end of the world pretty well at the moment.
Okay. Adam, appreciate that. Thank you.